A fire that had broken out on a fully loaded Indian supertanker off the east coast of Sri Lanka has been brought under control. The New Diamond, a very large crude carrier or VLCC chartered by Indian Oil Corporation, was carrying the equivalent of about 2 million barrels of oil. A spokesman for the Sri Lankan Navy has said that the fire has been controlled, but that one of its 23 crew members has been injured. The New Diamond was headed for the Indian port of Paradip in the state of Odisha, where the state-run firm operates a 300,000 barrel per day refinery. A Sri Lankan Navy official said there is no damage to the cargo area, only the engine room and some areas around it were impacted by the fire. The VLCC was about 20 nautical miles off the east coast of Sri Lanka, and its military had sent an aircraft and 2 ships to aid in the rescue operation. Sri Lanka's Marine Protection Authority said it would take measures to prevent any possible oil leak from the tanker. The Indian Coast Guard, in a statement on Twitter, said that the Indian Coast Guard ships Shaurya and Sarang Samudra and Dornier aircraft were immediately diverted in a swift sea and air coordinated operation to fight the fire on board the New Diamond. The ship had sailed from the port of Mina Al Ahmadi in Kuwait, carrying Kuwait export crude.
Indian Coast Guard assets, including 3 ships and 1 Dornier aircraft, are urgently headed for the Sri Lanka coast. This is happening because the Sri Lankan Navy had requested for assistance for a firefighting mission. We are given to understand that a fire had broken out on board a vessel called MT New Diamond. This is in fact an oil tanker, a Panama-flagged vessel. So this vessel is currently located about 36 nautical miles east of the central Sri Lankan coast. And we are given to understand that the Sri Lankan Navy had requested firefighting support from the Indian Coast Guard. So the Indian Coast Guard has mobilized about 3 ships, the Shaurya, the Samudra Peheredar and also Sarang, plus also a Dornier aircraft to the site. We're given to understand that one of the Indian Coast Guard vessels is expected to reach that accident site shortly. And also we are given to understand that this vessel was traveling towards Paradip port in India's Odisha, and also this ship had traveled from Kuwait and all the way to India's east coast Odisha, and near Sri Lanka is where this fire had broken out. We're also given to understand that there were 23 crew on board, and 19 of them have been rescued, and the rescue operations are continuing for rescuing the remaining 4. And of course, the Indian Coast Guard vessels are expected to reach there for the further firefighting operations. From Chennai, this is Siddharth MP. Beyond World is One.